Hi everyone, and hi Barbie, Cinderella and Rapunzel. What have you all got there? We've got Kinder Surprise, and they're all themed on Disney princesses. Can you open them for us? Yeah, start with this one. Oh yes, my pleasure. Oh look, it's Snow White. Let me put it together for you. And here you go, I'll give it to you, Barbie. And I'll open this one too. Oh wow, it's a Snow White bracelet. Let me put it together. I think it'll look good on you, Cinderella. Oh wow, it looks great. Oh, thanks. Rapunzel, you're next. Oh wow, look Rapunzel, we found a figurine of you. Here you go, you can have this one. Me next, me next, me next. Okay, Cinderella, I'll open yours. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's another Rapunzel. Can I have it? Can I have it? Come on, Rapunzel, I want it. Let Rapunzel have it. Come on, let her have it. Oh, okay. Go on, Barbie. Give it to her. Well, thank you, Barbie. And it's another Snow White. You can have that one too, Barbie. Oh great, thank you. I really enjoyed this, guys. We had lots of fun, guys, and we hope you enjoyed our video. Stay tuned for more surprise eggs and Disney princesses. Have a lovely day and see you next time.